Guys, welcome back to another YouTube video. Today I've got a 2011 MacBook Pro in front of me. I got it for free. However, it does not have any RAM and it doesn't have a hard drive. I was going to put an SSD in this machine. However, I do not have a spare one lying around at the moment, so that will be on another video. What I do have is a older hard drive. This is just to check if it works, and 4 gigabytes of RAM. So I've already taken this panel off. As you can see, that's how I diagnosed everything. I'm going to show you how to upgrade the RAM and upgrade your, install your hard drive. So there'll be a bracket here. There's 2 screws. Just zoom in for you. 1 screw, 2 screw, you undo those, that will come up. Hard drive, plug it in. It only goes in one way, so don't force it. You see these 2 metal tabs here and here, where my fingers are. They slot into a slot that's right here and right here. So they just go in, and then you can just let the hard drive sit. Get this bracket, do up those 2 screws again. Let me do this with my other hand. Zoom in. 1, all the way, and 2. There we go. So to install the RAM, there is a little hole here that will align with a piece of plastic here. Now these do only go in one way as well. So let's get the bottom one installed, line it up, push it all the way in, and then down until it clicks. Let's repeat that again. All the way in, down until it clicks, just like so. And that's the hard drive installed, and that's the RAM installed. That's also how you upgrade the RAM. So yeah, we'll put this back panel back on. I'll get this screwed up. And yeah, thank you very much for watching, guys. Take care.